Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, good evening. How's it going? Great to see you guys. Happy Thursday times. Let's go. What's up, fellas? Great to see you, chat. How you doing? How you doing out there? We are ready. We are quite ready, I'm telling you. Look at that price section. It has been brought up, and now it's taken down. Totally artificial, guys, but look at the hourly candlestick. Quite impressive. We're going to talk about this quite in a few minutes. Let's just go ahead and share the video. Come on, guys, like the video pretty much everywhere. Like the video. Share the video with all the trading communities, with all the trading groups existent. Everyone. We are live. $75,000 in giveaways. Come on. Good morning. Hey. Great to see you beyond tomorrow. Great to see all of you. Wow. Make sure to like the video, fellas. Let's get ready. Let's get those numbers up. So we've got 2 giveaways, totally 75 grand. Make sure to stick with us, right? Beautiful. Tomorrow, Friday, no stream. Keep that in mind. I am out. I'm not in the office. Tomorrow, no streaming. What's happening on the 5-minute candlestick? But before we talk about that, let's just have a look into the supply existing here. This is a pretty heavy supply, and we were not really able to close above 628, 629. So let's put it roundly 630s. That 630s are bothering us for the moment. The longer it holds here, the stronger the move is going to be. That's the good part. If you look into the lows, we've been constantly pressuring the price action to the upside. Right? Especially after 24th, we've been constantly pressuring the upside level. I'm not trading with that company at the moment. Thank you guys for joining. I'm currently trading with Ticktick Trader, Top 1 Futures, and Savius. So this is where we are with the price action forcing and squeezing against the wall. A wall which is sitting from 630s up to 650s. Dominating every single time we get there on the hourly. But let's find out more on the 5-minute candlestick and see what's happening out here. I don't like this lower high, to be honest with you, and the pressure that came afterwards. I don't like that. We got news in 6 minutes to go. We have the GDP announcement, annualized change in the value of all goods and services produced by the economy, preliminary GDP announcement, and then the unemployment claims as well. Tomorrow, big news out there. I'm not going to be here on the stream, but there's the core PCE. So that's important. Let's have a look at what's happening here. The first thing we got to do is set up the copy trader on 5 accounts. We got fresh 10 accounts. So we got some fresh 10 accounts. What's happening here, guys? So this is what I want to trade. The first 5. Where are the first 5? There's something wrong with this copy trader. Let me just set it up this way. Beautiful. Now we're set up. The next thing you want to do is go to your risk settings, account risk settings, personal daily loss limit 1,500, no discussion asked. What happens when you touch that? Liquidate and block, right? So that means I'm going to get myself blocked for the day and my position is going to get liquidated. No question asked. I don't want to be dealing with a bigger loss than $1,500 in this accounts in a single day anymore. What's up, buddy? TOT. Hey, buddy. So we got this set up, but I don't like to trade in this price section. I don't like it. It's a type of price section you don't want to short, but also you cannot long it. It's a good plan. You guys saw what happened yesterday. You guys saw what happened yesterday. We're making money with tap on futures and we're losing basically on Ticktick trader. I don't like that. We have to replace the wrong attitude towards risk management that got triggered in my business for the last 2 weeks. I bet it's getting intense. If it's your first baby, it's going to be really intense. If it's your third or the fifth, it's different. Right? It's totally different. Extremely intense. Right? So you're going to be a different guy. You're going to be a different guy from now. I'm telling you. Hey, what's up, fellas? Great to see you. Make sure to join Discord. Let's not forget about Discord. Why would you? Let's put it that way. Like and subscribe or join Discord. That's one way to say it. That's one way to say it. Or 5 with each. That's 25 right there. You need your own prop firm company to hold that. Right? So you got 5 times 5. You need your own prop firm. A good morning. Good day. Welcome. Oh, that's great. So you have a good education trading, some intensity coming from our live stream. Yeah. We've got some good entertainment moments as well. Exactly. You need a copy trader right there. Instead of a trader, a copy baber. Baber. Cheers, everyone. I should have had a drink for you, Totsi, but I'm going to have next days. Don't worry about it. Wish you all nice trading, Sebastian. Beautiful. Yeah. Enjoy your day, guys. Enjoy your day. And of course, trading. Keep up with the numbers. What's happening? Do we lose a 600 here? Do we get down? I'm not going to long this here. I'd like to see it on the 580s. Take it down to the 580s. Right there. Touch the daily volume weighted average price, the VWAP. That's a good entry for the short here. And also you squeeze below the previous low. So you trap some fellas right there into beautiful shorts that you never allowed them to monetize. There you go. 580s. Give me that. I'll wait. We got a minute to go. We got some news sitting around the corner. Yeah. We've been playing, we've been joking, and we've been putting together. So what can we do out here? What should I trade? I want to long the markets, but I'd like to long the markets from a little lower. I don't think this level here is sufficiently sustainable. And we might see the markets down into 540s. Let's not forget about that. To keep in mind the micro Russell 2000, guys, has been pumping. So that might be a sign for the altcoin market. That might be a sign for the altcoin market or the crypto space. Good day, good morning, everyone. Like the video, $75,000 sitting aside, ready to be triggered. We got the news. Market is doing its job, pending back and forth. For the moment, we got a green candle, but there's not much about it. Probably the GDP came out decent, 3.3 higher than expected. Oops. Higher than expected. 229 unemployment claims, very similar, not a big deal, but the GDP right there is higher than expected. That's why the markets do enjoy it. Do enjoy that. Gotta get some trading going on. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciated. What a lovely day, right? What a lovely day. What a lovely time. Honestly, I don't know what to do at this level, but I definitely know that on Tap One Futures, we got $18,000 drawdown on 3 accounts. So that's more than $50,000. Wow, look at the pump we're receiving, guys. What's happening? Look at the pump we're receiving. Oh boy, look at that. This is an opportunity to relong
Order
it.
Filled.
I'm out.
Order filled.
$150. Let me just take that for the moment. Microscoping is allowed. So Ticktick Trader, you can trade in whatever way you want. No one bothers you. You can do microscoping, you can do news trading, you can do DCA, you can do whatever comes through your mind, as long as obviously the trading environment permits that. Here's the link, guys, for those of you that are interested in trading. Good morning, Fernandez. Beautiful, Andreas. Come on, let's go. $150. Testing out the rejection here. But this is a pretty promising 5-minute candlestick. Right? We could force that breakout on the hourly. We break out today. It's not going to be a difficult day to trade.
Order filled.
I'm relonging this. And I'm also going to long a single contract for my
Order
Tap on
filled.
Futures accounts. You know, I only need little money here. It doesn't matter the amount. We just have to let the markets do that 10 seconds and I'm going to be out. I guess we got 10 seconds. I'm out. $87 there. That's enough there. I don't need more there. I actually need more on my Ticktick Trader. And I'll share with you why I do not need more on Tap One Futures. Have a look into that. Look at this one. Oh my God. So we got how many? We got 9 days of trading. We need one more day. One more day to trade this and we're going for the payout. I'm out
Order
for the
filled.
moment here. I secured another $120. Let me keep it real. So once again, guys, we've got 8 days, 9 days completed. The target is completed. The consistency is completed. So now we just have to do trading days. It's going to be 3,150 times 3. That's 9,450. It's not bad. Certainly not bad. Let's go. So we're fine here. $87. We completed a trading day. Yes, I hope so. I hope so. I do enjoy the sim environment. On tap on futures, we got payouts. Let me share with you. I posted about it on my Discord. So let's see my post. Well, let's put it this way. Let's see if I find my post where I talk about the earnings. We have more than $45,000. More than 45 grand. You just have to search that in our group. You can see that I posted about it a couple of days ago. More than 45 grand payouts on top on futures. I mean, look at that. It's kind of obvious, right? This is all green, and then this is August, right? If we look into July, not to be ashamed, but even for July, we got just about green numbers out there. So it has been a lot of good trading. This is an interesting possibility here for the markets to run.
Order filled. Order filled.
I love Ticktick Trader because of the microscoping possibilities. Oh, we almost got touch on the take profit. And now it's switching around. This is not looking good. This can come all the way back to the 600s if it's not stopping here. I sold 2 contracts, guys. I had to give away my profits. What a situation over there. We were 1 point away. Let me just go with a higher target. Good morning. Great to see you. $75 grand in 2 giveaways are prepared. There you go. Here's the post. 45,100 tap on futures lifetime payout certificate. This has been achieved in about 2 months. 2 months of trading. And now we're going to have another one, 9,450. So that's going to be 53 grand. Looks like a bull flag. That's why I want to target higher. And if we break out here, we could actually attack those 60s, right? So I could actually go even with a higher target, to be honest with you. Hello, great day, everyone. If we don't get stuck here, it's going to be fine. I hope so.
Order filled.
Added more to this, guys. I'm trusting it. For the moment, I'm trusting it. We're sitting on 6 minis. Watch how we could explode 20 points. That's all I need. $3,200 in the first day of trading. That would be pretty much more than desirable. Relentlessly. We get to the target relentlessly. Come on. I'm going to go break even. Like, there is no reason for me to not perform the risk management framework. Let's go. Come on. 20 points, 15 points. I sold half because that would actually secure my $500. Keep that in mind. That $500 is the target. That's the target for the day, right? $500. I'll have break even for the rest. So in this case scenario, if we get to the highest target right there, we're going to collect another 1,600. If we don't, I have secured my point with that $500 collected. This was the idea. Now I can relax, sit back, and let the market struggle. If I take you to the 15 minute, you will see how bullish are we. GDP came out very strong. Let's go for the upper target, everyone. Come on, bring it on. There's not much left of the Ticktick Trader discount. Do not forget about it, especially with the no daily loss limit. So the add-on is free right now. You don't need to pay for the add-on. It's free. Daily loss limit eliminated by the company with the current promotion. Yeah, cryptos do want to move higher. Cryptos do want to move higher because cryptos are following Russell 2000, especially with the alts. So cryptos do look bullish, guys. It is a very good deal for the Ticktick Trader. 65% off is... I'm gonna sell one contract here.
Order filled.
I did sold a contract. I'm not dumping the rest. We're looking very good. We're sitting on 2 contracts. It's not automatic. I'm selling another.
Order filled.
And I'm leaving the rest open for the moment. It's not automatically adjusting. $1,300 profit, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I am moving my stop loss to break even at the time I consider based on the risk management and technicals and price action. Thank you, guys. Come on. We got the fireworks ready. Just a little more. A few more points out there, or I'm going to get out of this manually. If they don't want to deliver, I'm going to get out of this manually. At what point in Ticktick account are you past the buffer? You have to make 5% totally. That's the target for the payout. But in other way, the system works with a profit score. Which means you have to accumulate 10 points for the first payout. 1 point means to earn 0.5% of your initial size of the account. This is how the Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus accounts are, which are amazing because they have no consistency, guys. So there is no consistency. Keep that in mind. You can make $6,000 in a day. You can let your winners run, and that's going to help you a lot when you have a losing day. So back to the story. 0.5%. It's $500. By making $500, you get 1 point. The next day you got to do another 500, or you can do more. It's up to you. But you just got to do that $500. for 1 point. And you got to collect 10 points. Negative days do not penalize you. Do not take your points away. So you just have the ability, even with quite many negative days, to collect points if you have some nice winners. It's really comfortable with Ticktick Trader. But this system is built a lot for the live trading. They have a very good path for the live trading. Very, very good path. And on top of that, as I said, no consistency. These are instant funding accounts, no consistency. You can do flipping, you can do news trading, you can do microscoping, you can do DCA, you can do whatever. $2,000 is the maximum payout request, but there is a formula you're going to get that money. And I'm going to share with you guys a video which explains it all. I have requested $10,000. And in this video, I'm explaining it all about this new straight to funded plus accounts. Let me just grab the video and share with you guys here in the chat. So here's the video. Yes, they got Tradeovate and NinjaTrader. $2,000. You got to collect 10 points. Not 5%, 10 points. But if we do the math, $500 times 10 is 5,000. 5,000 from 100 is 5%. This is straight to funded plus. That's how they're named. I might get myself triggered. That's fine. 1,460, guys. We're going to do a round of fireworks. This has been absolutely beautiful. You see, we have exited out of 2 contracts at the top. That's valuable. Boom. Makes the difference in the payout. So that's an awesome trade. 1,460. You know what's next? Manual lockout. I am confirming to lock myself out for the whole day. Yes, lock me out. I don't want to trade on this 5 accounts anymore. 1,460 for the first day is more than enough. So I did share with you guys the video. It's the straight to funded plus. You decide 2 categories, Project X or Tradeovate NinjaTrader TradingView. This new straight to funded plus accounts, these are the ones that I'm trading. Really exciting. Beautiful, Henry. Thank you so much. Yeah, if you buy with crypto, you get the biggest discount existing all over the world. How often do I blow the accounts? I would say as often as needed, but that's not the correct answer. You know, with Tap on Futures, I think we bought 2 accounts in a month. With Ticktick Trader, we bought 30. So, depends on my trading form, I would say. Oh, they've been online for 3 years, having thousands of reviews. You can pay with credit card, you can pay with whatever you want, but if you're paying with crypto, you get additional discount. Ticktick Trader has a live desk. They've been online for 3 years, has real headquarters with people walking into and working from there. So if I would have to pick one, well, there's 2 different systems because Ticktick Trader is running on points. The payout is less, right? The payout that you're getting as cash is less than Ticktick Trader compared to the Tap on Futures, where you get a lot. You get a lot. Straight to funded plus I prefer on the Ticktick Trader. Straight to funded plus. So I don't think I could actually decide between the 2. I would diversify and see which one works better. Because I had Ticktick Trader performing better than Tap on Futures. And then this whole thing changed in the past 3 weeks. So sometimes it works with one type of company like this, sometimes work with the other, because the rules are totally different. The trading conditions are different. No consistency is a gold mine. On Tap 1 futures, there was a profit split of 90 to 10. So, for example, for this accounts that I'm trading here, that are 3 accounts connected, I'm going to get for the payout, which I will be requesting tomorrow, even though we got no stream, but I'm going to request tomorrow and let you know whenever we get back on the stream. And that's going to happen next week, I am assuming. So, for the Tap 1 futures, there is a 90 to 10. 3,150 is what you get as a net payout. You request 3,500 for this 150 grand accounts. Groups depends where. You can copy trade more, but depends on which prop firm, because I'm trading on 2 prop firms, and a little bit later today I'm also going to trade on Savius ones. So depends on which prop firm do you mean groups. On Ticktick Trader I could copy all the 10 accounts, for example, but I don't do that because then of course the risk level is higher and I don't need that. Like, makes no sense for me. We had a bit of rejection coming through the process. Not surprised. On Ticktick Trader you can trade all your accounts in a copy trading system, all of them, all the 10. We have traded our Ticktick Trader profit 1,460, and I have locked myself out on copy trading 5 accounts. This is what we did today, and we also did 87 bucks on the Tap 1 futures. Day number 9 completed. One more day needed here for 9,450 payout. So we are all green for the moment. And I'd like to set up my copy trader for the next 5 accounts on the Ticktick Trader. So number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. In order to participate in the giveaway, you gotta like the video. Let's go, come on. Thank you. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. Relax. And let's get the ball moving. Let's get this breakout.
Order filled.
I'm testing out a short here, even though I'm not extremely convinced about. I'm not going big size for the moment. But we might come all the way into the 620s, guys. Let's see. I'm questioning, I'm testing it.
Order filled.
Adding more to it here and exiting a little higher if that's the case, not an issue.
Order filled.
Added another round. Let's see if we get the reversal here and a push back into the 20s or not. Let's see what's happening, guys. Why is it stuck like that? You know, Project X is fully stuck, guys. It's not moving. Now it has been reconnected. But the price action is missing. We're in profit. We don't see the candlesticks, guys. I don't see the candlesticks here. It's pretty crazy, right? Let's just change the charting a little bit. 5 minute. And put it back to 1 minute, guys. I don't think this is bullish, to be honest with you. I'm going to reshort this. We're sitting on 10 contracts short. Oh my god. That would be a massive scam to get this candlestick pushing above. That would be a massive scam. We should have seen the second red candle in a row here, but this is a massive scam. What a silly price action. I sold 5 contracts. I had to do it. I had to take a $600 loss. Oh my god, that 1 minute candlestick, the last red one we had, should have gave us another red candlestick next to it, with the possibilities of continuing, and I could go break even on that. But the parallel next green candle once again is just a terrible idea from the markets. Now I'm not sitting too well here, guys. We're gonna get stopped out. Let's just wait and see. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. If this is getting bought up, I gotta be out. Let's have a look into the 5 minute over here too. Resistance stepped in once again, guys. It's not going to be an easy deal breaking out before the New York starts. Beautiful. Come on. I don't think this is going to stop there. Bring it down, baby. I'm waiting you right there on the 20s.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this. Come on, dump it. We came in with momentum into this move. It would be pretty sad to take it all the way back into 644 without breaking the 30s. We got a bunch of fellas longing it here for a continuation or for a retest, right? We got a bunch of this guys. So the markets might go for the idea of shaking them out nicely. Oh my god. The pressure is there. Bulls are not giving up. Bulls are not giving up on the 30s. I need it more aggressive. I'm waiting on the 20s. That's not a bad closing. Should cliff. Like it is less than 1 hour for a flat hourly opening candlestick. Come on, bring it a little lower. I'm going to partially sell if this is going lower. Good morning.
Order
I sold
filled.
3 contracts right there. And I'm leaving the rest open for the moment. Let's see, what do we get here?
Order filled.
Added 2 contracts again. Oh. Looks like the bears are here. They're still in town. The only problem is I'm shorting basically from this bullish reaction points because I'm shorting for a continuation, right? And that continuation is missing for the moment. So I'm keep cutting my position high and adding to my position in the lows, which is bad. I should do the opposite. Look at that. Look at that.
Order filled.
Added more to this. Looks like we got some pressure. Wouldn't be bad basically till the opening to bleed. This would be a nice lower high as well, and if we break, that's going to be a pretty strong move. Come on. Let's go aggressive, guys, here. We're 10 minis short. Markets could actually come all the way into the 600s. All the way into the 600s. $6,500 for my target. I'm gonna DC out of it slowly as soon as it goes in profit and go with a trailing, of course, but this is a good one for the moment. We're still capable of defending this level. We're still capable of defending it. I don't like how we sit here, guys. I want to see a sudden flush. I don't like how we sit here. I don't want to see a 20 points candlestick to the upside from here. And the risk is there. We just don't want to break through. Break down, come on. That's gonna be a lovely trade. I'll have a first exit on 620s. I'm gonna partially sell on 620s, 5 contracts, and let the rest go for a bigger target. Let's do it this way. So 620s.
Order
5
rejected.
contracts. I don't want to walk into the opening with this trade. Especially being around my entry point is something that I'm not looking forward. If we're in profit, that's a different story. But this is not looking good. This is part of this. This is not looking good till it does. Just like this is looking good till it changes. I don't like it. And I didn't set my stop loss on this 5 accounts at 1,500. I only set up for the other 5 that we made money on. I'll put a stop loss right above that wick. And that's it. This is what we trade here, guys. This is our setup. If this is getting bullish, it's going to break above my level, and then it's extremely risky for me to hold on to this. We're going to get stopped out. Get a miserable price action. Oh my god. We haven't squeezed any right below the 30s. That's crazy. That level held for 30 minutes. I'm looking for more because that builds buffer and allows me to have this kind of losses later down the road. We got a little lucky there. I don't know, it's stuck again. But we got a little lucky there if we still have this position active. I don't know. Three points away on the stop loss. Usually 48 hours. Once the payout is approved, once your request is approved. I certainly don't like this, guys. But you see, this can easily turn around from here. Turn around and take it all the way into the 600s. They can easily do that. The thing is, I'm too tight with my stop loss. Very tight there. I don't think I'm gonna survive this. Yep. We're not gonna survive this.
Order filled.
Beautiful. So we're gonna lock myself out of this for the moment. We successfully kept this line intact on bunch of 1 minute candlesticks. Look at that. Nothing broke below. My strategy is, as soon as we break below, I'm break even, and I don't care. It comes back, moves to the upside, I'm fine. If I don't lose, I'm fine. But not to take any liquidity below this level is total madness. You've been giving time for the bulls to have some easy trades, and now they're break even, right? All these guys that are scalping from these lows are break even. You know, I'm trading also at the opening, but the majority of the trades that I do, including on all my accounts, for example here for the Tap 1 futures, everything is done pre-opening. All the performance, all the payouts, all the great numbers is done pre-opening. August, and then we look into July right now. This is also pre-opening, guys. Exactly, 50%. But now, let me take you to my Savius accounts on Tap on Futures. Sorry, my Savius on Quantower. Opening up Quantower right now. Yes, that's all pre-opening. That's when I trade much better on pre-opening. Much better. The opening is not what I like compared to the pre-opening. I enjoy lack of volatility. I enjoy that. You see the rejection is here. It's just that I'm overly sized. Now let me tell you something, guys. We are preparing for the payout on Savius too. We need around $1,000 and we're good to go for the payout for the Savius. What do I mean by Savius accounts? Where our community has exclusive accounts which are not available for the public. These are the accounts. This is only available if you sign up from our community link, which is right here in the chat. And there is 60% off code SCRAMBLE at the checkout with these prices. Good morning. I'm trading the Tomcat. Tomcat is $256. And I'll have a payout of $3,000. But I'm going to get 90% of that. So $2,700. I got to do $7,500 for my target payout. It's just 5% for the target. It's really comfortable. Here we are. We have 156,764. We got to make another about $1,000. Blessings right there from Puerto Rico. Great to see you, buddy. Mr. Don, you're reaching 10 points. Haven't asked for the payout, but I still have to do $1,000. The Tomcat, all the accounts for our community are instant funded, guys. All the accounts. Instant funded, right? All those accounts that you have seen earlier are instant funding. It's funded. It's PA, it's funded. You don't have to pay anything extra other than the fee for the second month subscription. Second month has a subscription of $90. First month is 0 fees. But the second month has a subscription of $90 for the data feed. They're running on DX feed. They're not running on Rhythmic. Yeah, Savius accounts are looking good too. So Mr. Don, getting back to your question. Consistency is 20% pretty much everywhere, but the payout is big. So you pay $256 and you receive $2,700. Keep in mind, another very important thing, guys. The drawdown is intraday and there is a hard breach for the daily loss. Two things to keep in mind. Hard breach for the daily loss and the drawdown is intraday. If you don't want to touch the hard breach of daily loss, which is something you don't want, I'm telling you how to avoid it. Very simple. Use a stop loss right before that. So you get stopped out before that. And you skip the hard breach by doing that. Exactly. Mr. Don, getting back to your question. Your minimum payout is $250, Mr. Don. So you can request as much as you're leaving $1 above the original balance. And then you're not going to have more than $1 drawdown, right? Or if you want to build more drawdown, I'm not suggesting you to build more drawdown. Simply take the money out and buy accounts again. Because you buy accounts again with a much bigger drawdown. Market is hungry, guys, to go for the highs here. Look at that. We're just pushing. Exactly. No evil passing. Just trade, get to your target, respect consistency, and request a payout. No evil passing. Everything I trade is instant funded. It's funded already. Right, so take as much as you can out of the account, leave $1 inside, and cash out the maximum possible. And if you're close to reaching 10 points, do not try to build a balance bigger than your daily target, guys. Just go for the daily target when you're very close to the payout. Because your payout is going to worth much more than any additional $100-$200 extra, for which in exchange you actually risk your profits. Don't do that. When you're close to the payout, always go minimum target for the day, and that's it. I don't trade evils, no. I trade funded accounts. Make sure to like the video, guys. Keep in mind we've got strong giveaways. We got 13 minutes to go and the giveaways are starting. Time consuming, resource consuming as well. Think about all the money you're making in an eval account that is made in a funded account. You pretty much get paid for that money you made. So you can get paid for that money. For the same money, you get paid nothing. On the other side, you get paid. Your point is to get paid, is to make money. It is not to play around with digital money, right? It's to get paid. Plus, on top of that, a lot of these evil accounts are cheap. So usually people, when they see that it's cheap, they tend to underestimate the cost of something that's cheaper compared to something that is more expensive and it's consuming more resources. If we pay $20 for an eval, a lot of the people YOLO gamble those things because it's just $20. So they YOLO 10 accounts, 5 accounts. They spend more at the end of the time than they would actually spend with an instant funding account. Let alone the mentality you build with evals that you gamble, with evals that you are trading and you cannot get paid from evals, right? So I'm thinking about that. This is certainly less productive for the long term. They're good for practicing, but people position themselves wrong, right? It's too cheap. People don't take them serious. I can tell you how people act. I know that's not the right way, but this is how people behave. So I don't think this is actually helping them. Even though in theory it's helping them, in reality it's not. There's a big gap between the theoretical side. Indeed, it's a lot better to lose less than losing more, but the way we position ourselves to bigger costs when it comes down to activities is much more serious. Correct. They gamble because it's cheap. They gamble because it's $20 accounts or 10 accounts or whatever. Correct, Quantum. That's a good one. You will never learn good trading discipline on evals or demo. That's a good one, guys. No, you need a very serious environment, so create that environment for yourself to be very serious. 20 bucks in trading cannot be serious. You cannot be serious with that. Yep. What's happening here, guys, in the price section? Let me move you into my other scene. We're pumping. We're pumping without aggressiveness, but slowly constructing. Building on it. Exactly. True. Right, so you pass an eval and a lot of the people starts getting relaxed. I'm telling you, that's the psychological effect of this eval accounts. People get relaxed after passing an eval. It's like they touch their target, right? So you feel unleashed. But the reality is that the fight, the war, and the big journey starts right after. So you have the tendency to be loose. You just got relaxed on the whole thing, right? Correct. Evals are opening the doors for a lot of the mistakes that you cannot become a trader on the long term with. Right, so it fills the top of the world to pass an eval, and then you realize nothing happened. Nothing happened in reality. It's just digital money. You got to start it again. That's all the bad feeling I had when I started with evals. I tested evals back in the day, and I passed it. So then I saw I have to start it again. It's not making me feel good about it. This is something I could trade as well on top on futures. We have an account here that has 2 days. But these 2 days are pretty good, guys. Exactly. That's how they made. A lot of the people spend $400 for a final funded account. But the thing is, the mind they had at that time, which wasn't set to be for trading. Yes, correct. And think about the resources and the time. There is no need for an eval. Unless you want to gamble and joke. You want to joke. But even that way, I think you mess up your environment of trading, guys. You mess up your environment of trading. If you want to joke, you better don't do it. Right? So don't buy an eval and joke. You mess up your environment of trading. You mess up your mind. Six minutes to go. What's going to happen out here in the markets? Gold is having a great time. We got a nice reaction on the daily opening, volume weighted average price of the day, VWAP, 200 EMA. So gold is having a great time. Nvidia is opening right below, but I think it's not going to have a bad day. Bitcoin as well is starting to move. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, especially to be part of the giveaway. You gotta like the video. $30 trades on August 27th. Where did you saw that? yesterday. Let's just have a look into this, guys. Probably I did a lot of DCA. I did a lot of DCA and it's calculated like a trade. So I did a lot of one contract, another contract, another contract, another contract. Look at that. We have a bunch of one contract for the sizings. And it's counted as a trade. But I'm not doing 30, 40 trades. Right? So if you buy, for example, 10 minis with one contract on each round, that's 10 trades. That's the way it's going to show up here. 10 trades like that. Less than 5 minutes to go for the opening. Like the video, guys. Get in touch. We've got 2 giveaways ready to fly. Exactly, financial guru. Evils are a trap. Some people make money with them. Some people. And we know the issues related to the payouts with these companies that are nicely playing with the evils, right? Doing $20 accounts that you never get paid. We clearly know that. Like you paid $20 for a video game. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Appreciated. Devil. Trailing drawdown. Ho ho ho. Trailing drawdown is such a big money maker for the companies, I'm telling you. Is such a big money maker for the companies. It's like printing money. It's like a printing machine. Nah. This is an interesting situation we've got right before the opening. Less than 3 minutes to go. Purdia Capital, yes, I've been around. They've been around for a few months, but they had some issues out there with some of our community members I did not like, so I did not trade it with them. I'm not trading with them yet. $15. Oh my god. Less than 2 minutes to go. The market is reacting from the supply. No surprise. The market is reacting from the supply. I'd like to trade at the opening on my Savius. So we're going to be here, guys, watching. I need to do $1,000 here. On Quantower. The issues were correlated to the payouts. Yeah. So we got this company's, you know, Ticktick Trader has end of the day drawdown. Less than a minute to go. Is a no-go, indeed. And they were unjustified issues, right? Because let me tell you something, guys. 30 seconds to go. There's a lot of the people that are breaching rules and then calling the companies scam. So I'm very careful when it comes down to that. There's also people coming from the competitors and calling it a scam without even having an account at that company. And they come into our group, they come into public places, and so did I. 5 seconds, let's do the opening bell. Here we are. Let's see what we can trade, guys. We need that $2,000. I am shorting this. Oh. That's not looking good. I'm out. We're down 900. So that level, the 630s, that 6 crazy 30s, guys, reacted once again, delivered upon us. Look at that. Not even at the opening, we haven't crossed that 630s. Let me share with you. This is so silly, guys. So watch this level. That 630 is not even at the opening. Not even a dime. Crazy. What an opening there. And I only need, right now I need 2,000. But I only needed $1,000 for the payout. Oh my god. We just broke out. We have resistance at this level. At the 40s right here. 35, 40s, we got resistance. What a crazy opening, guys. Not even 20 points down, not even 10 points down below that 30s. This is so bad. Got into 2 contracts here. I'm out for the moment. So we recovered about 200 bucks. About 200 bucks recovered. Let me see if I can do something much more efficient. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, we're doing the giveaways quite soon. What a price section we had here. This is just total madness. I think we're running higher from here. Let's go, come on. I'm out. That was pretty bad. We came down a lot. Focusing on this top one, which has 2 good days. Got stopped out on the Savius one. We're gonna resume. Focusing on this top one, which has 2 freaking days.
Order filled.
I'm out.
Order filled.
246. I gotta make sure that we're not breaking the microscoping rules too often. Yep. Certainly not an easy open to deal with.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if we're capable for a protection here around the 700s. Or that was a trap.
Order filled.
Nah.
Order filled.
I had a partial exit.
Order filled.
Back into the DCA. Looks like the bull stepped in around the 680s. Are we capable holding on to this, or simply I'm going to get out? If this is respected, we're going back to the top. So we should not cross. This is kind of the maximum I could earn. Not more than that, guys. Come on. I sold 3 contracts there. I had to take away my loss. We were down 1,200. I had to take that away. It's going to be the 3rd day here, very important. 2 more days and then we're fine also. Because we're going to hit the target, we're going to hit the consistency too. With $1,800 profit per day for 5 days, we're hitting all the conditions needed. This is looking pretty powerful. Pretty powerful. I don't think we stop here. Keep going. Beautiful, guys. 1,821. Celebration time. Celebration time. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. What a great moment. So we got the third day, 1,821 here. Look at that. 2 more days like this are needed. And we also take the payout from this one. So tomorrow, planning on the payout from the other top 1 futures. But this is beautiful. This is beautiful. 2 more days like this and we're good to go. We have a drawdown $6,000. It's not bad. Time to advance. Time to get into the important things. And you know, the time has come for the giveaways. The time has come. The time has come for the giveaways. Happy times out here. Let's just get ready on the screen. Let's just get the scene prepared. Right, so before we get started, everyone, you gotta know, tomorrow I am off. There's not gonna be a stream. Monday, the markets are closed. There's not gonna be a stream. I hope to be able to stream on Tuesday, but I'm gonna keep you updated, guys. I'll keep you updated. Appreciate your words, appreciate your great feedback. So let's get started, fellas. Let me tell you what you gotta do. Wait. Do not write. Wait. What to do to participate? How to participate? Well, number 1 thing, like the video. Come on. Thank you, Oliver. Number 1 thing, like the video. Do not write anything yet. Wait. Let's get our fellas in line. Let's just get the things prepared. So the first thing you gotta do is like the video. The second thing, be subscribed. Be subscribed to my YouTube. Like the video. Turn on the notification bell. At 8 a.m. we are streaming. And we are also, you got to join the Discord. You got to join the Discord to be able to participate. These are the 3 things you have to do. Then, do not guess. No, refresh. There's more people liking it. We have 137 guys right there. Close to 140 people liking the video. Let's go, guys. Come on. Do not guess multiple times. Wait for me to tell you when to start and when it's over. Let me know your numbers, guys. Come on, you can start. Now let me know your numbers. But now, if you have wrote it before, do it again. Come on. We got close to 140 people. I'm seeing it in live. You have to update the live stream. You have to refresh the live stream to be able to see it. Let's go, everyone. Come on. Beautiful times out here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me here. Tomorrow, no stream. Monday, markets closed. Hopefully, I can resume on Tuesday. Depends on the connection. I'm going to have a holiday setup with me. If the connection is good, I'm going to stream. If it's not good, we're not going to stream. Keep that in mind. So, we're stopping right there. Everyone stop. Do not write more. Do not guess more. This is the first giveaway, $25,000. Top 1 Futures Sim Pro account. Alright, guys, so let's just shuffle this one and get ready for the first giveaway. There you go. You just have to guess the number, write the number. Who's going to be out there? Is this going to be that red number 3? What do you guys think about that red number 3? Or do we stop on this blue one? But I don't think we stop on the blue one. We're going to go to the number 3. The red number 3 is going to be, guys, I told you. I can smell the speed and the way things are arranged. Beautiful. Beautiful. Congratulations for the winners. We got a number 3 advancing to the duck race. We are advancing on the duck race. Badger is here with us. 46 winners. Wow. That's crazy. So you get slightly more than 2% chance for winning. 1 minute. You're going to be in a strong competition, guys. For about 1 minute in a good swim. This is the ocean. This is the Atlantic. You're going to swim in the Atlantic. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Keep pushing. Look at Babar. He's leading. Babar is leading, guys. Can you believe that? What a beautiful contest. Like the video for those of you that have joined recently. Like the video, be subscribed, and then join Discord to participate. It is a pretty hard one. It's a lot easier to trade, guys, than making money, than winning the giveaway, right? It's a lot easier to trade. Thomas FX. Is this our boy today? Number 26 right there, Thomas. You are the winner. Congratulations, buddy. Congrats, buddy, Thomas. There you go. Good job. Good job right there. Beautiful. Let's get to the second one, guys. Let's get to the second one. Very important. So once again, how you participate, very simple. Like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. That's it. And then guess the number between 0 and 5. You can start right now, guys. Come on, let's go. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Come on, guys, let's go. This is a $50,000 straight to funded plus Ticktick Trader account. That's what we're doing right now. The Ticktick Trader account, 50 grand. The first giveaway was for the top one, and now this is for the Ticktick. Big money right there. Big money right there. And we got to stop right there. Do not guess more. Do not guess more. It's over. We got to stop right there. Thank you, guys. We're going to shuffle. Let's not forget about this important step. Some of you are building your strategy by seeing how the numbers are connected. And sometimes we have 3 numbers connected, such as right now. We got a triple one right here. We're going to spin and see if that's going to be the number. Once I saw number 5 times, or 5 times next to each other, right? What's going to be there? Is that green 0 or that blue number 4? I think that's the blue number 4, guys. I don't think we stop on the 0. I think we crush that. Look at this. And we got to the 0. We got to the 4, sorry. We got to the 4. Sorry, guys. Number 4 for the winners. Beautiful. Beautiful. Congrats for the winners. Let's get to the duck race. Let's get to see. 28 winners. Jake is right there. I can see Jake. It's the first one. 28 winners. You guys are going to compete a little more for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So get your muscles ready. Get your proteins. Get your whatever you want. Crazy drinks. And go for the fight. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. I might be the one. I don't know. Have a good weekend as well to you, buddy. Wish you all the best, guys. Keep in mind, tomorrow no streaming. Monday, markets are closed. We don't do it. Tuesday, I'm planning to resume. As soon as the connection is going to be good at the place I'm going to be. If the connection is not going to be good, because it's not going to be in my office, then of course, we're not going to have streaming probably the entire next week. Depends. Depends, guys. I'm going to keep you updated. And we'll see how things are moving around. We'll see what's going to change and what's going to happen for a bit of a time till we leave the office. But then, of course, good business is going to be right here. Back in business in September. Less than 20 seconds. Wonderful times as well. 10 seconds. Who's going to speed it right now? I think it's going to be someone from behind. Look at the number 20. Randirana. Randirana. It's a secret place. It's a secret place. Randirana. There you go. You got the winner right there. Congratulations, beautiful $50,000. Ticktick trader, straight to funded plus. Thank you, guys. I'm planning to visit that as well. So I'm planning to visit a lot of the things a little in the future. Randy. Market's dumping. What's happening, guys? Let's have a look into the market. Why is it dumping when I'm not shorting? Wow, look at that. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Now, this is what happens when you're looking for breaking out of a supply like this. I told you, this supply here is killing accounts. This is killing you softly. Attention, guys. Killing you softly. Have a lovely time. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely weekend. We keep in touch on Discord, on YouTube, pretty much everywhere. I'm going to keep you updated how we move forward with the schedule for the temporary time. Beautiful. Wish you the best, guys. Looking forward to it. We'll talk to you soon.